Hi and welcome to another cool YouTube video. In this video we will discuss about the comparison operators in JavaScript. We talk about the comparison operators in JavaScript. So today's topic is comparison operator. So the first question arises in your mind is what is the comparison operator? Comparison operator are those operator which is used for comparing the values like greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, equality operator. And the comparison operator always results me the boolean value. So always when checking the comparison operator, they gives me a true result or a false. So we have a comparison operator which is being used for comparing. So some of the comparison operator are greater than, less than, equality. So for checking the equality, we have double equal sign in JavaScript, and triple equal sign is used for checking the equality and the type also, like comparing the comparing the two variable x1 and x2. So if the value of x1 and x2 are equal, so we will check this by double equality operator. And if x1 and x2 both are a number, or both are string, or both are object, or both are boolean values, so that gives result me true in case of triple equality operator. We will see in this tutorial. So here is a screenshot of our equality. Here is a screenshot of comparison operator. So double equal sign is used for checking equality, not equal also, not equal also. So given that x equal to 5, the table explained below the comparison operator. So x equal 8, that return me false, and then we do x not equal 8 true. We will discuss about this. Let's discuss. Okay, so we will try to explain you. So we say ki let x equal true. Okay, let x equal 11, and then we're gonna discuss alert x equal 10, and this double equality operator, this is a comparison operator which is used for checking the comparison. So saving our file with Ctrl S and opening CMD, doing the formality in command promote cd document directory index.html for running our HTML file. And okay, so this site says, and we got our result that is false. So that is why I told you it returns me each time. Okay, and now see alert x equal this 11, and now testing this. So index.html, so this time it will say true. Okay, so now checking our main thing, like this string is equal to this 11 or not. What is the return? So this returns me true in JavaScript, but in any other programming language, if we're gonna check this with Python, that gives me a false result. Okay, and if we're gonna check a null string with nan, no, not an integer, when we run this, so we got our error. So this nan is non-defined, but we got our output in nan, so you cannot test with this. So if we say x equal 0, but this 0 is also a number. So what about if we checking this with alert x equal this true? We're gonna check with some now boolean values. So alert x equal true. Okay, and index.html, so this results me false. In the case when we checking the number and the string, we got true, but when we checking with the boolean value, we got false. Okay, now test with our next example. So now we're gonna say is entering a number. So x equal prompt enter a number, and alert x is greater than 100. So if the user enter the number which is less than 100, then we got true, else we got false. So let's check it. So entering a number 10, so 10 is less than 100, the answer is true, so we got true in our case. Okay, and let's check it if this z or alert x equal 100. So if the user type number and 100, so it will got true. But when it doesn't type 100, in this case it got false. So this is how this comparison operators are checking. Okay, so now testing our next main example for checking this triple equality operator. So now checking this, so we say let x is equal to 11, and then we say let y and is equal to this 11, and then we're gonna do alert x triple equals this y. So this 11 is equal to 11 if we're gonna use this double equality operator. So in this case we got true, but when using this triple equality operator we got false. So let's test it. So we got false in our case. So this is how actually the comparison operators are working in Java. In the next video we will discuss about the logical operators in JavaScript. Logical operators like and or not, something like this. So wait for the next tutorial. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel for Python, JavaScript and machine learning videos. Or you can join my JavaScript tutorial for beginners playlist. In this playlist you can find each and every basic JavaScript basic tutorial video, so you can join that playlist. Thanks for watching this tutorial.